Now, let us define a closed set which is not an interval. What is the definition of an interval? The definition of an interval, closed interval a comma b, which is equals to x is in R, is such that x is in between a and b. X equals to a, x equals to b. Okay, x, but x is in between a and b always. Then it is called an interval. A closed set which is in the form of only closed set, which contains the limit points only 0 and 1, but it does not contain any x in between. So the difference in between closed set and interval is that the closed set does not contain any x as in between interval, but closed set contain only a limit points as 0 and 1, right? Now, a closed set which is not an interval, this is a closed set union 2 comma 3 closed set. Union of two closed set is a closed set by definition. Okay, so it is a closed set, but it is not an interval. Why? Because when you take 0 comma 1 union 2 comma 3 is an interval, then there exists x is in between by the definition of an interval. X in between 0 comma 1 union 2 comma 3, that is that type 0 comma 1 and 2 comma 3. Okay, but it is in the form of union, so there is no in between x. X is not is in between the closed interval 0 comma 1 union 2 comma 3. So this is not an interval. It is only limiting point contain 0 and 1 and 2 and 3, not in between x, while in interval there exists x. So it is not an interval, it is a closed set only. Now, an interval which is not a closed set, interval ho, but it is not a closed set. Okay, so it is an interval 0 comma 1 and it is an interval which contains x is in between this, but it is not a closed set because it does not contain its limit points 0 and 1. So it is not an closed set, it is only open interval. Now, third, a set which is neither an interval nor a closed set. Neither interval nor a closed set. So 0 comma 1 union 2 comma 3, it is not an interval. Union of two interval, it is not an interval. So because there is not any x, okay, so it is not an interval and it is not a closed set also, it is an open sets.